The National Weather Service has issued a tsunami warning for the following counties: Miami-Dade County in southeastern Florida, beginning at 1:07 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and ending at 2:27 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 1:07 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a tsunami has been generated 50 miles off the coast of Miami and is moving at around 30 miles an hour. All residents need to evacuate the area now to ensure your safety. Pack 14 days worth of food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio for more updates on this situation. When evacuating, tie a white towel to let local authorities know that you have evacuated. Do not use the towel for assistance. Do not return home until your local authorities tell you when it is deemed safe to return. Do not hesitate. Evacuate now.